Welcome to Hollywood, the legendary heart of the entertainment world where dreams take center stage. From its humble beginnings in the early 20th century, Hollywood has evolved into a global symbol of creativity and ambition. Stroll along the Walk of Fame, honoring the icons who have shaped the industry and inspired generations. Behind the scenes, cutting-edge technology and passionate artists work tirelessly to bring stories to life. Experience the glitz and glamour of red carpet premieres, where the world's biggest stars shine. When the sun sets, Hollywood transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife, offering endless entertainment options. Explore landmarks that have become synonymous with the magic of cinema and the allure of the stars. Beyond the glimmer, Hollywood is a melting pot of cultures, creativity, and endless possibilities. Hollywood, where every dream has a place to shine and every story has a stage. Come and be a part of the magic. Discover Hollywood.